Hey, what's up everybody, it's Aki here. In today's video, I want to do a quick comparison between two different types of smoke generation methods for our 3D print mini wind tunnel series. So in the past, I have been a big advocate for using a mist generator to generate the smoke for us to test our cars in the wind tunnel because I think water is just safer to work with in general, but honestly, I'm kind of curious what a actual smoke would look like in our wind tunnel project. On my left hand here, I have like a incense that I got in Japan, so it's like a Japanese incense. And to my right, we have our mist maker. It's got some water in it. It's not plugged in yet. So I think it'd be very interesting to compare these two. And I'll let you be the judge and let me know which one do you prefer more. All right, here we go. This is the incense. I'm gonna set on fire. Hopefully it doesn't trigger our smoke detector department. There you go. You can see some smoke come out of it. As you can see, the smoke coming off the incense forms this really thin, beautiful line that flows consistently through the chamber. It actually does a nice job showing the general aerodynamics of the car. The problem is, it's just not thick enough. In some areas like the spoiler, it's hard to clearly see the vortex forming. You kind of have to look really hard for it. There are a few ways to improve this. You could burn more incense at a time to get a thicker smoke, or even create an array of smoke lines. But that's where my concern comes in. Most homes have smoke detectors, and I already panic enough just cooking food. So yeah, I'm definitely not going to try to set one off on purpose. If you're experimenting in a garage or a space where that's not a concern, that's totally fine. You still have to be very careful though, since you're dealing with an open flame. After trying the incense method, I say it works. Alright, next up is water vapor method, which I've been working with, and I am a big fan of this one. I designed this mist maker specifically for the wind tunnel project. It uses only water and produces a thick cloud of vapor that makes the airflow visualization way easier. Inside of the tank is just an ultrasonic mist maker. You can just pour a little bit of water, plug it in, and it's ready to go. As you can see right here, the vapor coming out looks really good. You get a large volume of mist that wraps around the car as it travels through the tunnel. Not only you can see the overall airflow, but smaller details like the spoiler vortex are clearly visible too. And since it's just running on tap water, I don't have to worry about smoke detectors or accidentally setting something on fire. And when the water runs out, I just refill it. The main thing I have to watch out for is making a mess if you tip the tank. Water can spill out. I also make sure to wipe down the car model afterward so the vapor doesn't just sit on the car. Comparing these two smoke methods for the wind tunnel, the water vapor method is clearly a winner for me. It's safer, produces way more smoke, and gives up much better visualization. While you can increase the amount of incense you burn, it's still a consumable you have to keep buying, which adds up. But water, on the other hand, is cheap, accessible, and doesn't come with a fire hazard. Let me know in the comments which method do you prefer, or if you know of another way to generate smoke that's even more effective. I would love to hear it. I'm also working on a brand new wind tunnel design that's totally different and more optimized. So stick around if you want to see that. Thank you for watching. My name is Aki, and I'll see you in the next one.